So Isabella, welcome to the podcast. This was impromptu. We're sort of in between segments here, but you stopped in and there was an open chair and I have all the stuff already set up. So I figured I'll invite you on for a quick second and say hello. How you doing today on this Monday?
I'm doing great. It's warmer outside, so that's a plus. Not freezing.
That is not how it trends as we go from fall to winter, but today you're feeling good.
Yep.
Good. What'd you do this weekend?
I went to some wineries and breweries and hung out with my boyfriend.
That would be Nick. He's a nice guy. I've met him. Yeah, we all like him. I think has a special affinity for him, but he's a nice fella. I've hoisted a pint or two with him in the past as well. Breweries and wineries are a big thing for you there. Which ones did you go to? Which was your favorite?
Out of the two, because we went to oh my god.
So many, she doesn't remember.
We went to the two breweries we went to were Hudson Brewing and Rip Van Winkle. Rip Van Winkle was a pretty solid choice.
Okay.
Really good food.
Oh, what'd you have?
I had linguine with white clam sauce.
A classic.
I'm fancy.
So how's everything else going? What are your plans for Halloween?
I have a party on Saturday, and we're doing a wine tasting in the morning.
In the morning? Now,
yeah.
You know she's really committed to this. Clearly, if the wine tasting is occurring in the morning, breweries, wineries, morning, mimosas, Bloody Marys, cap it off, a little nightcap of maybe some brown. Do you do brown liquor at all?
A little bit.
A little bit. A little bit for you is a lot of it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. All right, so let's shift gears a little bit here. I had all this stuff set up, so I figure we'll record it and we'll see how much of this I can use, which could be maybe all of it. You never know. So you've now been with us here at the Centrotherm Pipe Factory for like nigh on 10, 11 months now, right?
Yeah, November 3rd will be a year.
So I was pretty close in that assessment. How are you enjoying the pipe store?
It's been good. It's nice.
What do you do for us here at Centrotherm? I personally know, but our dozens and dozens of listeners may not.
I do all the order entry.
Well, what does that entail exactly?
Entering the orders.
All right. Keeping it simple. What's a little pet peeve of yours from people? Like, if you could change the behavior of some of the folks that submit the orders, what would be something that what kind of thing that you would impart to them would maybe improve the process flow over for everyone?
Making sure to add if there's any added parts to the order after you already create the PO, if you're able to revise it before sending it in and not sending a ton of emails with.
So the chain of paper trail.
Yeah, try to reduce that a little bit.
And that does, I think people don't realize how many, what that ripple effect is when you send it in, because you don't hesitate, you just put it right in. So that prompts Joe over there, who's like over my right shoulder right now on the other side of this wall, from creating the work orders that then lead to the pick tickets and the manufacturing processes, which then lead to the order getting shipped. Yeah, so all of that.
To catch.
Right, exactly. So the sooner, or if we can get that done ahead of time, then there's a lot less undoing work that we've already done or redoing stuff in a different way. It's pretty good advice, I would think. Unfortunately, you never know about the revisions until it already happened. So we can wishful think about that or hope and pray, but that will probably never change, is my guess.
Probably not. And double check the confirmation.
Oh, yeah, that's another one, too.
I try my best, but sometimes I make mistakes.
Well, thank you for joining us here on the Mechanical Room. Isabella, maybe we can have you back on for the Christmas Spectacular. Can you do like a kick line, like Rockettes, maybe?
No.
No? Well,
maybe if Alex joins me.
Maybe. We got Alex's on the other side of the room over here. She's going to be my next guest. So she doesn't know it yet, but she's about to join in. We're going to do a Taylor Swift album review.
Ooh.